Hi Westies, and welcome back to another kitchen episode. Today we'll make homemade pepperoni and sausage pizza. Okay, we'll start by making sausage balls and frying them in a skillet. Hey, while we wait on our sausages to brown, we will prep our pizza dough for the pizza. Okay, here I'm just kneading the pizza and preparing it to start to roll it so that we can begin to put our sauce and toppings on. Okay, Westies, here I'm just adding sauce to the pizza dough. I like extra sauce on my pizza, but again, add as much or as little sauce as you like. Alright, and now for the pepperoni, and you can put as much or as little pepperoni as you like. Okay guys, and for my next ingredient, I'll add fresh spinach. Okay, and next we'll add our sausage balls. Okay guys, and for our final ingredient, we'll add cheese. Okay guys, here's my homemade pepperoni and sausage pizza unbaked. To bake, put in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay Westies, if you enjoyed this video, please like and comment. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. See you guys next time.